Hello, welcome. My name's JesseMcDesign, and today we're going to be carving a pumpkin. I was going to try this last weekend, but when I brought the pumpkin home, I decided to wait a day, and by the time I got to it, it was all mushy, and which was weird. But so we're going to go to the store, grab ourselves a pumpkin, come back, and get straight to it. Let's get started. Alright, so we're back with our pumpkin. I wanted to get something a little bit longer rather than short and fat. I want to do, you can kind of see here, something of this nature and this kind of combined, kind of like this mouth, like kind of like these crazy eyes going on here. So something of a combination of these two. I also saw a picture, I'll put right here, of with like stitching with string and stuff, so I might throw that in there. Maybe some nails. I got a package of nails that I might throw in here just to make it look extra creepy and weird. First things first is I'm gonna sketch out a rough idea of the combination of these two things. So I got this side kind of roughed in. You can kind of see I'm starting to work the face folds in a little bit more, getting the eye really sunken in. Like I said, getting through this outer skin, it is the hard part. And then once you get there and get like your shapes roughly there, you can go in with the finer clay tools and really define things out more and more. And you can work it kind of slow so you don't go completely through the pumpkin, you know. I also like to keep them, I haven't cut the top off or the bottom and dug out all the guts on this. I might do that at the end because I do like the pumpkin seeds, but we'll see once we get to the end. Alright, so we got our guy pretty much there. Just like a grumpy old man, I guess, with crazy bulging eyes. I do want to add a few different details. I want to do a couple stitching stuff around his lips. I think I want to do maybe something close to the eyes. I do have some nails. I was thinking maybe just jamming some nails into his eyes, or you know, I don't know. I'm gonna play with it, see what happens. Alright, so there you have it. It's been a couple years since I've done this. It actually went a lot faster than I was expecting. I think if I did it again, which I might, this is only the first week of October that I'm filming this. I feel like I could really go a little bit deeper and define some of this stuff a little bit better. I try to keep it on the surface as much as possible. You know, I don't want to like go all the way through and completely ruin it or whatever. I don't think it would really ruin it, but it's nice to try and get some real depth out of it and see what you can create. This also was a pretty simple design that I've done. In the previous years, I've done Sam from Trick or Treat and things like that, more recognizable faces. This is just like a, you know, I was going off of some random illustration of an old creepy guy, bulging eyeballs. Like I said, I wanted to put in the thread into the mouth, which I think came out nice. I just poked some holes and then jabbed the thread in there. It's just kind of chilling. And then I threw some nails in the eyeballs just to make those pop even a little bit more. Super happy with how it came out. If you like what you saw, please hit the thumbs up, it really helps. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. I'm always over here doing art, some sort of creative thing. See you on the next one.